I have a lot of cooking to do this weekend, and I just don't have any knives. So I had to go out and get another knife set, and I'm gonna show you guys what I like about them, then we're gonna get to cooking. So let's go ahead and take a look. It comes in this nice little fancy package here. It's got this little magnetic flap, that's pretty cool. Nice and fancy there, I like that. You open it up, and you get a couple of little pieces of foam here, just to keep the box from crushing probably. And what we got here? This is the knife care and maintenance instructions. It's pretty cool. It's got instructions on how to sharpen your knife and how to take care of it so it lasts forever, right? Let me see what's in this box. Mystery box. Oh, it's the sheaths. It's the sheaths to your knives. So you get the 3 sheaths here, which is awesome. And we have a finger guard, keep you from cutting your fingers when you're working with your knives. We have a knife sharpener, keep your knives nice and sharp and ready to go, right? So touch them up in between uses. Got a nice cleaning cloth or a drying cloth. It's pretty cool. Then the stars of the show. Let's start with the big one. All right, so what we have here is our chef's knife, and it's pretty heavy, pretty good, nice weight to it. I like it because it is usually pretty sharp. I have another one of these, very similar to this, well made, well crafted. I just like the way that they cut, nice balanced weight on it. So we'll cut with this in a minute. It's got a pretty fancy design too. Look at the design, fancy. All right, look at knife number 2. Look at this bad boy, right? It looks like it can do some damage. Also, balanced weight, feels good in the hand. I'm left-handed, so, you know, chop, 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 chop. I mean, it feels good in the hand. I like it. That would be nice for chopping things. And here we go. Here is our last one. And I could, you know, do all kinds of things with this. More of a paring knife type. Also balanced weight. We'll see how sharp they are, see if they cut good. Bet you they do. They look like they have a nice edge on them. We're about to find out. Now, a lot of people will cut paper to show the sharpness of a knife, but in all practicality, we don't cut paper with a knife, right? We use scissors for that. So we are going to cut something that we would actually cut with a knife to see how sharp it is. Here, some frozen chicken breast. And we're just gonna get into it and see if it gets through this. If it gets through this, and we'll move on to the next knife, right? Just get right through, boom. Oh my goodness, that is sharp. Look at that edge. It is sharp. Let me do another one. Yep, it is frozen. So if we're shaving, right? We're shaving this chicken because we want to put it in stir fry or something like that. It will shave nice and thin. And remember, this is frozen chicken, so it will get right through that. So knife number 1 is nice and sharp, this chef knife, and it will get through frozen chicken, no problem. Knife number 2, ooh, that bad boy, it shaves thin. Look at that. I mean, it's potato chip thin. Look at that sucker. Yes, sir. That is a sharp knife there. Woo-wee. Look at that. Bad boy. I mean, it almost looks like something you want to eat right now, but it's not cooked. It will kill you, so don't do it. And we're just going to go and see what we can do here with this one. It is also very sharp. All right, see that? Also very thin cuts. That is fantastic. Now, if I wanted to get through this chicken, I just, you know, I can get through it really easy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how easy that cuts. Yes, sir. All right, this is a really sharp knife. So all 3 of these knives are really sharp. The Mosfiata brand, they put out some fantastic products, and I would recommend them to anybody. Anybody that wants some budget knives, I will put these in the description box. Put a link down there. Not an affiliate link. I don't get anything for, you know, these knives or anything like that in terms of you buying it. But fantastic knives. They are budget friendly, and I mean, they'll last you forever. Just follow the care instructions, right? If you're going to put it in the dishwasher, I'd suggest that you pull it out right away and dry it off. We also usually don't sharpen our own knives. We have the knives sent off to professionals, people that sharpen metal for a living. So, all right, that's all I have for that. I mean, fantastic knives. Just make sure you take care of them. All right, that's it, folks. Peace.